A nation's culture resides in the hearts and the souls of its people. Mahatma Gandhi. Book title संस्कृति का वैभव पुनः लौटेगा. COVID, culture, and response to pandemic. With our attention focused on scientific and technological innovations in response to COVID-19, there is much missed with respect to cultural innovation during this time. We often think of culture as stagnant, but the truth is that as we evolve to meet the challenges of life, the cultures we nest in evolve with us. The era of COVID-19 presents an opportunity to study the flexibility and adaptability of cultures due to international differences between pandemic responses on a governmental and societal level. It allows us to question, is there a connection between the strength of a country's trust in their government and the strength of its society's trust in other fellow citizens? And more importantly, how do these cultural attitudes and relationships impact a country's response to an outlook on the pandemic? Sama Kuba, Harvard Political Review 2020. What is cultural splendor? Why is there a need for it to return again? A culture followed in any nation creates the identity and the personality of its people. It provides them with the spiritual, intellectual, and emotional distinction from others. It is, in essence, an interaction of people and life itself. It is a way we deal with life, birth, death, love, and disappointment. People without the knowledge of their past, origin, and culture are like trees without roots that cannot blossom high. Glad to present a book that is a compilation of the lecture series of the spiritual master Pandit Sri Ram Sharma Acharya Ji that shares the wisdoms on a culture as an enabler of all initiatives. Some excerpts from the book. Wherever a well-lit lamp goes, it spreads light. Similarly, an individual with character can facilitate other character buildings. जलता हुआ दीपक जहाँ भी जाएगा वह प्रकाश पैदा करेगा. जिसके पास व्यक्तित्व है, ऐसा व्यक्तित्व संपन्न व्यक्ति जहाँ भी जाएगा दूसरे व्यक्तियों को ठीक कर सकता है. There has to be harmony between one's character and preaching. If one's character is different from what one preaches, then how will it create an impact? आपके चरित्र और आपकी वाणी में तालमेल होना चाहिए. अगर आपका चरित्र अलग है और वाणी अलग है तो असर कैसे पड़ेगा? To have a control over one's desire and cravings is called self-mastery. तपस्वी का मतलब है उसे अपनी हवस और कामनाओं पर अंकुश लगाना आना चाहिए. Gayatri is not related to any caste or community. She is Ved Mata, Dev Mata, and Vishwa Mata. Just like sun and moon and Ganges and air belong to all, so does Gayatri. सूरज सबका है, चंद्रमा सबका है, गंगा सबकी है, हवा सबकी है. इसी प्रकार गायत्री भी सबकी है. गायत्री का जाति बिरादरी से कोई ताल्लुक नहीं है. वह वेद माता है, देव माता है, विश्व माता है. The world has seen too many leaders, but less of great personalities. Earlier, there were more great men and less leaders. Madan Mohan Malviya was a great personality rather than a leader. Mahatma Gandhi was a great personality rather than a leader. Great personalities like these changed the entire face of the nation. मित्रों, दुनिया में नेता तो बहुत हुए पर महापुरुष नहीं हुए. पहले के जमाने में नेता नहीं थे, महापुरुष थे. मालवीय जी राजनीतिक नहीं थे, महापुरुष थे. गांधी जी नेता नहीं थे, महापुरुष थे. ऐसे ही कितने महापुरुष हुए जिन्होंने हिंदुस्तान का कायाकल्प कर दिया. Chapters covered in the book: The character will spread teachings in society, wisdom versus preachings, attributes of a social educator, religious modesty, scientific beliefs. Gayatri and Yagya are for all.